Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video, we'll be doing a detailed in-depth review of budget TWS Truke Buds S1, which claims a terrific battery standby of 72 hours and a Bluetooth 5.1 for an insane price tag of 1300 rupees. My brother had been using it for the past 6 months, and today we will be discussing about the positives and negatives of this true wireless headset so that you can decide whether to get this or not. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to get notified about the new videos. And so let's get to the video. So first, let's do an unboxing to understand what all comes in the box. The major aspects which I consider while getting a true wireless earbud is first one, sound quality, then battery life, fit, and mic quality. Because I love music, I listen to a lot of music, and then I do a lot of calls as a part of my work. So maybe I used to do some 3 to 4 hours of calls. So all these factors really matters when I get a wireless headphone. But here in this video we'll be checking those plus some more aspects which most of the users might consider while getting a true wireless headsets. So first, let's begin with the sound quality. The sound quality is decent for the price. You can't expect anything mind-blowing for a 1500 rupees headphone. It has got a decent 10 ohm driver which gives a decent amount of bass, but I wouldn't recommend it to anybody whose major priority is sound quality or listen to music a lot.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Next is looks and build quality. So looks are subjective. Some people prefer stem design, some people prefer normal in-ear type of earbuds. Even though I don't prefer stem design personally, I love the design of this. It's got a stem design like the Airpods, so it's not a bad thing. And when it comes to build quality, it's decently built for the price. So nothing much to complain or nothing much to appreciate too much on that. So that's okay. Next is fit and comfort. Surprisingly for the price, fit and comfort is really good. When after hours of usage, you won't feel anything uncomfortable or any problem with using that. Also, it's a light pair of headsets, so that's another reason why this is so comfortable wearing it. Next is battery life. So battery life is the most exciting part of this earbud, and that's the reason I even recommended the headphone to him. It claims an insane battery life of like 40 hours and 78 hours of standby time, and also like 6 to 8 hours of earbud battery life. Based on our testing, we were able to easily get 7+ hours of usage on 70% volume, which is amazing and exactly what they advertised. And that's really something good to say, because most of the brands for this price tag usually won't get what they advertise. So next is connectivity. For connectivity, it comes with a Bluetooth 5.1, and as expected, there is no much. It performs good. There's nothing much to be complained about that. It's really good, and we hardly notice any call drops or any connection drops in that. And in connectivity department is really good, and it even has a low latency mode, which we'll discuss later. Next is mic quality. Mic quality has always been a challenge for true wireless headset, and Truke Buds S1 is no exception. I'm not saying it's a terrible pair of mics, but I wouldn't recommend it to someone whose priority is who's doing a lot of calls or some stuff. And indoor, it is okay, but if you go outdoor, it's completely terrible, no noise cancellation, and it's not good for calls, to be frank. Okay, anyways, we'll just test out, and you can just judge by yourself.
Hi, this is the microphone test of Truke Buds S1 in a normal situation without any kind of noise. So hope you got an understanding. Hi, this is a microphone test of Truke Buds S1 with traffic noise. So you have an idea how the calls will sound if you're outside of your home or something.
So next it is controls and touch sensitivity. It comes with touch controls, unlike some other earbuds which comes with the button controls. Buttons, if you push it too hard, it might cause some damage to ears. This headphone also lets you control your music in some ways using the touch controls. So single tap will pause the audio, press and hold will skip the track, triple tap will get you to the low latency mode or the gaming mode, which is ideal for gaming situations. And double tap in the left earbud will activate the voice assistant or Google or whatever assistant you are using. So that is really a good feature. However, the touch controls are highly sensitive, and this might lead to accidental touches more often. And that's one of the reasons I don't prefer touch controls over buttons. Next is charging case. So charging case is something I love a lot about this device. This one has magnitude. It's got a comfortable opening and closing of lid, and also most importantly, it has got charge indication for both the earbuds and the box itself, so which is really handy. Plus it supports Type-C charging, which is amazing. You don't have to carry an extra wire to charge this device, which is not a case with my Jabra. It's a micro USB 465T, so that's a bit disappointed, and that's really a good feature for this Truke Buds S1 headsets. And one negative which I felt about this earbud is it doesn't have any application for customization. Like the one I have a Sound Plus application for Jabra Elite 65T, which lets me do some customization in equalizer or customize the hear through mode, etc. But that's too much to ask considering the price tag. So a final verdict: if you really want a cheap wireless headset under $1,500 with excellent battery life, a good fit, and a decent audio quality, but doesn't care much about microphone quality and stuff, then this is a no-brainer. You can definitely go check it out. But the only issue we found was the microphone, and this audio quality is not that great. People who listen to a lot of audio, a lot of music, and want that extremely high quality audio, then they would be disappointed. But most of the people would be fine with that. You're watching casual YouTube videos or watching movies would be fine, I believe. And latency mode is something really you should look into, and that is really good to see in this budget. So that's it about the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got an idea whether to go for this earbud or not. If you did, please do hit like, drop down the comments, positive, negative, whatever it is. It'll help me improve my next videos. To see more underrated text like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for that. So let's see my next video. Bye.